Hi viewer, welcome to our another video. In this video we will discuss about differences between .NET Core and .NET Framework. We will be uploading videos on technology and career guidance on our channel regularly, to encourage us to do more videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel if you are watching our channel for the first time. Don't forget to like this video if you like our video. Please share with your friends. .NET Core. When we talk about .NET Core, it is defined as the platform on which frameworks like ASP.NET Core and the Universal Windows Platform rely and extend the .NET Core platform's functionalities. .NET Core is an open source platform. It is based on the concept of create once, run anywhere. Because it is cross-platform, it is compatible with a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. .NET Framework is compatible with Windows OS operating system only. .NET Core is cross-platform, hence it needs to be installed independently. .NET Core has support for microservices. .NET Core allows a mix of technologies that can be minimalized for each microservice. .NET Core has no support for WCF, Windows Communication Foundation, services. You would always need to create a REST API. .NET Core provides high scalability and performance compared to .NET Framework because of its architecture. Features such as code access security are not present in .NET Core, so .NET Framework does have the edge in that case. .NET Core focuses to develop apps in a variety of domains like gaming, mobile, IoT, AI, etc. Mobile.NET Core is compatible with various operating systems Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Mobile apps are becoming more important for businesses. .NET Core has some support for mobile apps. It's compatible with Xamarin and other open source platforms for mobile applications. For all platforms, .NET Core provides a very lightweight CLI, command line interface. There's always the option of switching to run IDE. When a new version of .NET Core is installed, it is updated on one computer at a time, resulting in new directories, folders being created in the existing program without affecting it. As a result, .NET Core provides a solid and adaptable deployment model. .NET Core is shipped as a collection of nuggets packages. .NET Framework. .NET Framework is a full-fledged development framework. The framework provides all the basic requirements for the development of applications such as UI, DB connectivity, services, APIs, etc. The .NET Framework includes certain open-source components. The application model of .NET Core includes ASP.NET and Windows Universal Apps. The application model of the .NET Framework includes WinForms, ASP.NET, and WPF. .NET Framework has a single packaged installation and runtime environment for Windows. When we talk about the .NET Framework, it does not allow for the construction and deployment of microservices in multiple languages. When it comes to WCF, Windows Communication Foundation, services, the .NET Framework is a fantastic choice. It also works with RESTful services. .NET Framework is less scalable and provides low performance compared to .NET Core. .NET Framework has this feature called code access security. .NET Framework is limited to Windows OS. On the other hand, the .NET Framework is only compatible with Windows OS. On the other hand, the .NET Framework does not support their development at all, and that is a problem. .NET Framework is too heavy for CLI. Some developers prefer working on CLI rather than on IDE. IDE in the case of .NET Framework, when the updated version is released, it is first deployed on the Internet Information Service only. All the libraries of the .NET Framework are packed and shipped together. Thank you for watching our video. I am Kansiris. If you have any questions or doubts on the topic like technology and career guidance, please comment below so we will reply or make a video on it. You are watching